Hello everyone, the next part of this lesson is on substitution. For today we're going to focus on substituting into expressions. Expressions look like this, which we did previously. Here's my example. 7x plus 2 when x equals 4. That means the question is asking you to replace x with the number 4. So this is how I'm going to do it. I rewrite the whole expression again, but I replace this letter x with the number 4 and I put that in brackets so that you know what calculation you will be doing. So everyone knows that 7 and in brackets 4 implies multiplication. So you need to multiply 7 by 4 first. Then we do 7 times 4. Which is 28. Then you have to rewrite the plus 2 again because that's the whole expression. You can't forget the second part of the expression. Then you add 2 onto 28, which will give you 30. So this is a simple example that I have just shown you. But in an exam or in a test, the question might ask you to do this. Substitute the following values of x into expression 7x plus 2. These questions, I just got it from the textbook. You could be confused. When you look at it, you got a bunch of numbers over here. That means they're just different question, and it's asking you to replace this letter x over here with 4 for the first question, 5 for the second question, 2 for the third question, and so on. Or the question might look like this. It says evaluate. This word just simply means just do what you have to do for the questions given. So for here, you've got two variables, x and y, or pronumerals, which you don't know what their values are. And for the first question, you should replace the x with 10 and y with 4. Then you will get an answer. For the second question, x with 1. And y with minus 10. So all you are doing is you are replacing the letters with the numbers given for each question. So have a go at these questions, and I want you to copy the question in your book and write down the full answer in your book. So for this question, you might not have that much working out, but I still want you to write at least one full step like this in my example. Good luck.